Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing a super easy and ultra cute Valentine's Day design, which is so easy to do. Like, trust me, you don't need any super like nail art ninja skills for this one. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's get into this design. I am starting off with a base. I just used one by PJR Care nail polish, and I have also applied, I think it was 1 or 2 coats of this Essence White. It is one of my favorite white nail polishes. It is so inexpensive. It's like €1.69 here in the Netherlands, and it just works like a dream. I love the brush, I love the formula. It is pretty much a one coater, but if you have longer nails like I do, and you apply a little bit more of like a thinner coat, you can go on with 2 coats of that as your base for this design. Then I grabbed 3 pink Zoya colors and 1 like shimmery reddish pinkish kind of color by Essie. I'm just showing you here all of the colors right now. The first one was Sandy, then a little bit of like a more hot pink color was Ellie, and then the reddish pink is actually called Lisa. Then the Essie polish, it is so gorgeous. I just needed a little like shimmer or glitter in here. It isn't super like glittery, like chunky glitter, but it's more of like a shimmer color. And this one is called Take It Speak Easy. Then what you want to do, take a resin plate like I do, or any other like flat surface that you can easily like wipe off the polish after you're done, or you can just throw out. Think of like aluminum foil or anything like that. And I am going to use a dotting tool with 2 different sized dots at the end, or balls, however you want to call it. So first up, I'm just going in with the lightest color. This one is Sandy, if I'm correct. It is so pretty. I'm just going to glob a little bit of that polish on my plate, go in with my dotting tool and just really easily create those little hearts. So I'm starting off with the biggest size of the dotting tool already. Of course, if you don't have a dotting tool, you can easily use like some random household items to actually do exactly the same design. As I mentioned in the start of this video, you don't have to be a ninja nail artist to do stuff like this. You don't need super ninja nail art skills. It is so easy. The only thing you need are just a couple of polishes, a dotting tool or something that represents a dotting tool like a toothpick or something like that, and you are good to go. It is basically just drawing 2 little stripes with that dotting tool, creating first one side of the heart and then of course the other side, putting them together at the bottom of the heart, a little bit of like a pointy kind of shape. Of course, you can make them as big or as little as you personally prefer. You can make them a little bit like more squiggly like drawn, scratched on like. It is totally up to you. It is so easy. And yeah, the rest of the video is actually pretty repetitive. I'm just going to add hearts in all 4 different colors. After that, I was also filling in some gaps with the Take It Speak Easy color by Essie, just to like put some extra small hearts in there. And also I am just changing up the side of the dotting tool every now and then, so not all hearts are exactly the same size, especially if you're going to fill in some gaps, like some bald spots that don't have any hearts but could easily fit another heart. I am just going in with the smaller sized dotting tool. So yeah, I'm just going to leave you guys here. Of course, make sure that when you're done with adding the hearts, just make sure they are completely dry before going in with your top coat. And yeah, I really hope you like the rest of the video. Let me know what you think about this cute design, and for now, I love you guys so much. I want to wish you all a really happy Valentine's Day, and yeah, I'd love to see you in my next video as well.